In the early 1980s, the automotive landscape was buzzing with excitement over sleek, exotic cars like the Ferrari Testarossa. However, for most enthusiasts, owning a genuine Ferrari was out of reach. This gap in the market inspired Jim Carney to establish Fiero Factory, where he aimed to create an accessible alternative for car lovers. He sought to combine the iconic styling of a Ferrari with the affordable, accessible platform of the Pontiac Fiero. Using his background in automotive design, Jim developed the Fierossa kit. This fiberglass body kit was engineered to fit the Fiero's chassis, transforming it into a striking replica of the Testarossa. The Fierossa allowed enthusiasts to experience the thrill of driving a Ferrari lookalike without the exorbitant price tag. The kit featured detailed body panels, including custom front and rear fascias, side skirts, and even distinctive venting that mirrored the original Ferrari's design. Under the hood, the base Fiero typically housed a 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine or a more powerful 2.8-litre V6. Many builders opted to enhance performance by swapping in V8 engines from Chevrolet, boosting power and providing exhilarating acceleration. The Fierossa's interior often featured modified Fiero components, including sport seats and unique badging, further enhancing the driving experience. Jim's design and the community of builders around the Fierossa became a testament to the creativity and resourcefulness of car enthusiasts. As the Fierossa gained popularity, it fostered a vibrant community of builders and owners who shared their passion through online forums and car shows. Many proudly showcase their personalised versions of the Fierossa, each reflecting their unique style and approach to building. Jim Kearney's Fierossa became more than just a kit car. It represented the dream of owning an exotic vehicle, proving that with creativity and determination, anyone could bring a piece of automotive fantasy to life.